Right guys, so this is just our little sort of recap video on covering our theorems there to prove that the angles in a quadrilateral, so a four-sided shape on the left-hand side here, are equal to 360 degrees, and then the angles in a triangle, a three-sided shape obviously, equal up to 180 degrees. Okay, so I've kind of highlighted each one of these angles, colored them in, and what we're going to do now is we're going to chop them up, same way as we did in class. And see if our triangle is equal to 180 degrees first, and then our quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees second. Right, so I've just cut off the three angles of our triangle. It's really important though you have this kind of six-sided shape left over. Okay, so this is the sort of middle of our triangle, and we can get rid of that guy there, we don't need it. Okay, and then all we're doing is we're just lining up our angles, or bunching our angles together. I'll take a piece of sticky tape, gonna cut it in half. Okay, piece of sticky tape, line them up like so, and then just stick them all together. Flip it around and stick the other side together like this. Okay, right, that's our triangles complete, and then I'm gonna go do the quadrilateral. Right, so really important again, just cut off the angles, leave the middle part of your quadrilateral or your four-sided shape. You should be left with an eight-sided shape, get rid of that. And then it's just a matter of lining up your angles together, okay? So we're gonna line up our angles together. Okay, so the orange one, the blue one, the red one, like so. And what you might actually do is you might actually get a little bit of sticky tape and just self-tape some of the angles together. Okay, so some of the angles together like this. It might take you a bit of time to get these all kind of in position. Okay, put the other one in there. And again, bit of sticky tape. Like so. And then last angle in here. And that should just slot in there like this. And last bit of sticky tape on there. Okay, so that's them all kind of bunched together. And it is kind of nice when you do color them in. You'll be able to see, you know, your angles very clearly. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off. I have an extra little bit of sticky tape here. I'm just going to cut that off. Okay, so we have our triangle here on the right. And then our quadrilateral on the left. Okay, I haven't got room to write in quadrilateral. Okay, so as you can see, we have a straight line. I'm just going to grab a protractor. Okay, we've basically a straight line. So if we have a look at our protractor, that's 180 degrees. We know it is because it's a semicircle. Okay, 180 degrees. There we go. All our angles in our triangle together make up 180 degrees. And then we're just going to pick a starting point for this one. So I'm going to line up my protractor with the bottom part of the red angle. We go all the way around to 180 degrees, so it's roughly in the middle of the green angle, all the way back 360 degrees, or sort of a weird shaped circle like that.